Many are developing in our world, like technologies, one of which is computer. We'll be show how to clean and maintain a computer and assemble a CPU or system unit.
Hi guys! We will introduce you what are the PPE or personal protective equipment. First, we have here goggles.
Goggles, a large spectacle with shields around rims for protecting the eyes from the excessive light and the chest.
Second, we have here rubber sole.
Rubber sole, a special type of shoes used to prevent electrical shock.
Third,
Apron, a garment worn over the front of the body as a protection for one's clothes.
we have face mask.
Third, face mask, a covering for the face to prevent the inhaling of absorbing dust and other chemicals.
And the last, we have here gloves.
The covering material with a separate sheet for each finger used for hand protection.
So that's all guys.
A few minutes later.
So guys, this is what it looks like.
First, you must know the tools that will be used in a process that will be done to fit a job or task.
Proper use of ESD tools. First, flashlight. Used to light up areas that you cannot see.
Philip head screwdriver. Used to loosen or tighten cross-head screws.
Wire cutter, used to strip and cut wires.
Compressed air. Used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components.
You may need to remove the disinfectant before your cleaning, or you may have to reverse it, making sure that the corners are clean and there's no dust to keep the dust in place so as not to inhale the dust. After cleaning, let's go to assemble CPU or system unit. Use the Philip and plate screw to remove and return the nuts and make sure the system unit parts are not working, and that's all corner and parts are important to keep them safe and not to lose. In return, you should be careful and helpful with the assistant to support the installation of the system unit.
Use toolbox to arrange tools and avoid accident.
I hope you're enjoying our video and love learning about cleaning, maintain, and assemble the system unit. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.
Okay kayo!